We interrupt all regular programming at the request of the emergency alert system, in conjunction with the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. All EAS participants shall proceed to activate this alert immediately. All regular programming is suspended. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
This message is being broadcast by the United States government. At approximately 1:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a green triangle-shaped entity was seen at the D.C. area, and he is planning to make a universal scaled crisis to occur, starting with us. The creature is known as the Illuminati, a powerful entity who kills all in his sight. Once he attacks, this planet will go extinct in 1 hour, because of how powerful he is. There's no way to stop him because all weapons will be useless, even nuclear missiles will be useless. The United States government has found out that the Illuminati can control victimized people, and they turn extremely powerful. He has a very big army of over 100 soldiers who can one-shot any human in sight. A massive earthquake was reported at a Richter scale we haven't seen before. A magnitude 50 earthquake has rattled the entire Maryland state. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. To those who are listening, gather your friends and family, and prepare for your inevitable death. The Illuminati is set to take over this planet very shortly, as he and his army are going to attack us, so they can rule the planet. This planet is about to succumb to its worst end, yet so quick, so brutal, and so painful. We thank you for being part of the American dream, and everything this country stands for. We are going to unfortunately die at the
Attention, the BBC has suspended your regular programming for an emergency broadcast. This message is transmitted by the UK government. A superior entity called the Illuminati was seen attacking the country, and about 20 million people have died in under 15 minutes of invasion. The United States 1 hour ago has suffered a magnitude 50 earthquake, causing coastal areas to be completely obliterated and sunk into the water. The permafrost has all melted and tons of greenhouse gas is now released into the atmosphere. The European Union has found out temperatures have soared up to as high as 160 degrees to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Every volcano across the world has erupted, and magnitude 25 to even magnitude earthquakes were reported. The United Kingdom will be gone in just 20 minutes. Because the Illuminati has erased half of the cities in Britain. Gather your friends and family and prepare for death by heat, drowning, toxic gas, or the Illuminati himself. Goodbye, Britain.